Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we're specifically talking about how to change sky in SnapSeed. Changing the sky in SnapSeed can add a dramatic effect to your photos, so here is a concise guide on how to do it. Tap open SnapSeed application and tap on the plus button in the middle of the screen. This will now open up your device's camera roll. Go ahead and open up your device's camera roll and then click an image you would like to edit. Once you select a photo you would like to edit, tap on Use at the top right and use this image to import on your screen. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap Tools. Scroll through the tools and select Double Exposure. Tap on the Add Image icon with a little plus in it at the bottom left and select a sky image from your gallery. I have selected a sky image with mountains in it. Now once you import the image, it will look like this. Go ahead and swipe in or out to the image and place it on your desired location within the image. Now click on the opacity button at the bottom right and increase or decrease the opacity of your image in order to blend in both of the image on the screen. Once you are happy with the result, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. After you do that, you will be able to change your sky using your SnapSeed application. Export your photo or your image as usual. And that's it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.